Our sales pavilion renovation is almost finished. Hi everyone, my name is Rip Ripito and I'm the President and CEO of the San Diego Convention Center, and here's our latest update on the sales pavilion. Over the last month, we've been installing the roof, panel by panel. Each massive piece of material is slowly raised into place by a team of workers, and this takes over an hour. After that, the panel is secured from one end to the other. You know, it just seems like a few short weeks ago, even days, that we didn't have a ceiling here on the sales pavilion at the San Diego Convention Center. And now we've got new panels that are being installed, and it's starting to feel like an indoor space again. And you can look and you can see we have this new space that includes a white truss that runs down the center to help provide support. And we've got these new masts that are painted white. It's such a nice, clean, pristine look. And we're adding a new floor finish and LED lighting. We're entering a new era for the San Diego Convention Center. These last few months have been a unique time for our building and the San Diego skyline. After replacing all the structural support, we're finally at a place where the room and the skyline are looking like they used to. For the final stages of the project, we still have to fully stitch the roof panels together, and we are also finishing the fire cannons and smoke detection systems. So stay tuned for the official reopening of our newly renovated sales pavilion.